How to delete Instagram account. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode I'll be showing you the ways to delete account on Instagram. So then, to delete account on Instagram, first thing first, you'll need to go ahead and update your application. If the application is not updated, go ahead and open up your Play Store. On the Play Store, type in Instagram. After you type in Instagram, instead of open, if you see update, which indicates the app needs to be updated, and after you're done updating your application, click the open button and then log in into your Instagram account. Once you're logged into your Instagram account, it's going to take you to the home page. Right on this page, go ahead and tap the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner and tap the tab bar icon from the top right, and then go to settings and privacy. After you click on settings and privacy, under it you can see account center. Tap the account center button, and here you'll need to go ahead and tap your information and permission. So here you'll need to go ahead and tap on personal details. After that, you'll be able to see account ownership and control. Go ahead and tap on it. Here you'll be able to find two different options, that is memorialization and deactivation or deletion. Tap the deletion button. As soon as you've done that, select the particular account that you wish to deactivate or delete and select what you actually want to do. In our case, since we are deleting an account, so tap delete and click the continue button. Here you'll be asked to provide in the reason for deleting your account. Click the continue button. Once you're done, tap on all of these sort of information. So for the security purpose, you'll be asked to type in the password that's associated with the following account. Make sure to enter in the correct one and tap the continue button. As soon as you do that, you'll be receiving a notification stating that you've successfully deactivated your account for 30 days, and after 30 days your account will be permanently deleted. So in this way, you can delete your Instagram account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.